Welcome back. Working from our priority list, we can turn our data into an infographic. So what we would do is we would go to our upload area. We would upload our data. Now, it's likely that Claude would already know that we're talking about the information from this conversation. However, we're going to go ahead and upload the document anyway. What we're also going to do is we're going to make sure that we specify that what we want is an artifact. And so once we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to click Enter. And we're going to allow Claude to now turn our document into an infographic artifact. Now, initially, what Claude says, it doesn't know how to do this. However, here in our right-hand menu, that is exactly what Claude has done. This has created an infographic for us. So basically, what we have now done is we now have an infographic in order for us to use to further illustrate our content. That's a good idea now to go ahead and publish our document. And we're going to publish our document so that we can come back to it at another stage and iterate with it. So we now have a new document. We can come back and improve it. And it's all based on the content that we have been creating. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.